This is one of the most spectacular resorts down here in Belize.
Wow, look at this beach.
It's just a perfect setup. And this property has been around for a while, very well established. So, you know, you got good income coming in, and you don't have to start from scratch.
Yeah, this is the real deal right here.
So guys, here on the left, we have the main resort building.
Okay.
And I think one of the most beautiful things about this building is there's a rooftop deck, and the views are just spectacular.
Oh, I'd love to see it.
Everything's freshly painted, all the wood stained.
Imagine that's a project.
Yeah, you got to think about all those things. It's not just buying it and enjoying it, you got to maintain it.
Right. So there's a total of 12 rooms, you say?
That's correct. There's 5 here, and there's additional 7 right on the ocean.
The oceanfront villas.
Yeah.
To the crow's nest. Wow.
I love this, getting above the palm trees.
Oh, wow. You can see everything from up here.
Yeah.
This is unreal. World's nicest Pilates studio right here.
This would be a great place for a massage.
Yeah.
That palm tree was an overachiever.
This you can see from everywhere around here, so a lot of people use that as almost like a lighthouse, so you can see where Hatchet Key is located. If you look over here on the right, you have the Silk Keys, which are real famous. It's sort of a national park area for Belize. And there's really, really good snorkeling and diving out there. And a lot of tourists from Placencia, they'll come out here on day trips just to go to those islands.
To right there?
Right there. And a lot of times they'll come here on the way back to the mainland just to stop and get drinks and food. So that's an additional revenue source that you guys could have. If you take a look over here, that's Moho Key.
Huh, wow.
It's a tiny little island out there.
I love it up here.
Yeah, let's go down, take a look at one of the cabanas.
Okay.
And see sort of what the interior of these rooms look like. You've got hammocks everywhere, lots of palm trees.
Look at those hammocks at the end of the pier. That's picturesque.
They added solar panels on the pier. That's another way to, you know, save energy.
That was smart.
So this is one of the beach units that we can go into.
Outdoor shower, so you can shower off before you go in.
They're very conscientious here about being eco-friendly, saving water, and not using too much power and that kind of stuff.
Eco-tourism now.
Exactly. It's important. Look at nice detail on the door here. That's really pretty.
Yeah, these are mahogany doors, solid mahogany, and then they sort of carve them up down here, the local craftsmen. Make yourself at home, take a look around.
I like the wood on the ceiling. It's really cool.
Yep. Nice and big, comfortable, beautiful view. Wake up to that every day for sure.
Little seating area.
It looks like this one, you could open it up into the room next door as well if you had a family.
Yeah, like adjoining rooms.
Bathrooms, really nice. Again, all the wood accents. It's beautiful.
Nice little touches. I mean, it's comfy. I don't know how much time I'd spend in the room. I'd be like, you know, there's so much to do.
Right? Desk in case you want to work.
You could work.
But who would want to here?
So what'd you think?
Oh, lovely, yeah.
So all the rooms here are of similar quality.
With 12 rooms and bed configurations, I mean, you could easily have a family reunion with 30,
Oh, easily, yeah.
40 people, including all the
Yeah.
kids and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, they've thought of everything. I can't imagine, you know, what else you could do.
North Saddle Key will run around $5 million US, over 4 acres in total. You get 2 main houses, 2 guest houses, staff housing, and a lot of infrastructure.
Well, it was a wild ride in, but I'm excited to see what all the houses have.
Yeah, they're pretty gorgeous. I love this lagoon.
I want to break out the paddle boards.
Yes, this is a very well protected marina. You could do a lot of water activities out here. All right, let's go take a walk. We got 1 guest house, we have another guest house, and behind there was foreseen for a helipad.
Wow.
Yep. Let's go take a walk up the house. So there's 2 main houses, exactly identical. Both houses are about 2,700 square foot each. They have 2 full master bedrooms each, right?
Oh, wow. That's big.
Beautiful.
Just impressive, right?
You cannot beat that view.
How high are these ceilings?
They're about 20 feet high, the ceilings, so you get a lot of air through the house.
Spectacular.
Do either of the houses have pools, or is there
There
a
is
pool?
no swimming pools on the island.
Okay.
No.
You have the lagoon.
Okay.
Gorgeous woodwork.
All the furniture, all the floors, everything was made here from local Belizean hardwood.
And here's the bedroom. So both the rooms on each side are identical?
Yes.
Correct. The view is my favorite part. Room seems a little cramped, but maybe if you open up all the sliding doors, the deck becomes part of
Yeah, I'd want to put some more furniture out here, make it
Right.
feel a little more inviting to come outside.
Bathroom.
Bathroom's a good size. Nice view from the shower.
What's behind that door?
I don't know, go check it out.
Oh, wow.
What do we have?
Outdoor shower. I love the stonework. The woodwork's gorgeous. You feel like you're on an island.
Let's spend a little more time with this view.
So this is probably the place to hang out in the evening, watching the sunset with a glass of wine. Right?
Amazing. These go all the way back.
Yeah, these open up, so you can open up the whole section.
Oh, yeah.
Fantastic.
There's your air conditioning.
And these views are just amazing, right?
I could sit here for a long time.
So you guys want to go take a look at the other facilities
Let's
as well,
do it.
like the guest house?
Yeah.
Sure.
So what do you guys think so far of North Saddle Key?
I like it a lot. It's not what we had originally envisioned. We're looking forward to everyone sort of being under some roof or common area, a big family house. This feels a little disjointed for that concept.
Just needs a few adjustments, but it would depend what
Yeah.
those adjustments cost.
Wow, look at this. View is gorgeous.
Yeah,
Look, it's even better than the beach view.
yeah,
The pool is cute.
yes.
I think they could have done more with this.
Absolutely.
I would have
Yeah.
opened this up into an infinity pool
Yeah.
and just let it wash right out into that bay there.
Oh, yeah, look at this.
Look at this.
This is
Oh,
great.
this is adorable.
So cute.
Wow.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
I love this.
I love the ceilings.
Me too.
I love all the open air. So cottagey, so beach house. It's just, I love the double stories. And
Yeah.
windows all around, all the light. This is great. And a nice fireplace in case it ever gets cold down here.
Really move-in ready.
It really
It
is.
just really is.
It's very
I
exciting.
love it. It's very charming.
Now this is interesting.
Yeah, no door.
This is odd.
I wonder what that was about.
This maybe
Yeah,
this
you
was
Not that
a,
much
do-
privacy.
Exactly, and you could do pocket doors.
Hello, there's no one in here.
you put a partial wall or a door or some
Yeah.
pocket door,
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, here you go. This is
Yeah.
your favorite room, Di.
Yeah, this is a really nice kitchen. I like how big it is. The kitchen is a great size.
Yep.
When you have a view like that, you're sure gonna have everybody hanging out here.
Looks kid friendly, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, this looks like this can handle a hard use, which I
Yeah,
think
I
is
really like this.
that's key. You like it?
Yeah. Yeah, I really do.
Shall we go upstairs?
Yeah, let's take a
Okay.
look. Look at this.
Yeah, this is nice.
But open, again open. And maybe that's the concept.
Yeah, that's the theme for sure.
Oh, this is a nice room.
And the master's one of the nicest rooms.
Look at this.
Master bedroom with this view. So scenic.
The master bath is back here.
Yep.
It's simple.
Yeah. No, I like this. This is very nice.
Did you notice nothing has curtains?
I know.
Why would you need them?
Why would you need them? Yeah.
Yeah. Why would you close a curtain?
Nobody's
Yeah.
looking back.
Yeah. This is an island home.
It is, yeah.
All right.
Out to the
So
decks.
I love
This
all
is
the
great.
outdoor space, don't you?
Yeah, I like this wraparound. Just all these little sitting areas are great.
Everywhere you go, there's a little place for you to sit and be by yourself.
Yeah.
Let's go one
Well,
more.
we're getting our steps in today.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Stairway to heaven.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look at this.
What a spectacular view. I love the fact that we're up so dang high.
I would think you do a lot of entertaining right here, actually.
I think you would.
This is the best view right here.
It really
Yeah.
is.
It's a gorgeous island.
I love the house.
I love the house,
Good,
too.
good.
I don't really even know if I have that many problems with it. Do you?
No, I mean, there's nothing for us to do here
Yeah.
unless we want to.
Middle Key has 2 acres, 2 separate homes, 7 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, $3.9 million. It's ideal, turnkey.
This looks absolutely divine.
It's gorgeous, you'll love it. You got it?
Thank you.
You know what? I'm loving the view to Harbor Island.
Isn't it spectacular?
Amazing. And I'm loving all the coconut trees I'm seeing.
You can see some baby coconuts up there.
Yeah, exactly. This is almost like a coconut grove unto itself. We're gonna start the tour of Middle Key by taking a look at this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath cottage. Guys, welcome. This is the cottage here at Middle Key.
I love the turquoise. I love all the accent pieces.
This should be the kids' house.
The kids' house?
I think so.
You got 2 bedrooms, 2 on this upper level, and there's a 3rd bedroom downstairs with bunk beds.
Mom, check out this view right here. Summer, look, 2 beds, 2 of us. I call the one by the window. No, we're up there with this. I 1, 2, or 3. This is mine. Volleyball court, and you can see the patio.
It's gorgeous.
Outdoor bar.
Right out your window.
An amazing kitchen for entertaining, completely open. From the kitchen, look at the view. I mean, come on. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, you guys got a good feel for this cottage. I'm gonna let you wander over to the main house.
Okay.
Just follow that path.
Such a nice outdoor area.
I could just see our family spending hours and hours here. And I'm loving all the coconut trees. Everywhere I look, there's coconuts.
Look, Mom, you could sit there and spectate us play volleyball.
Try to play volleyball.
I haven't seen a sandy beach yet.
I was expecting a bigger beach.
Does a smaller island change the clientele you would cater to? Because I know with the bigger islands, you could probably go for company retreats and stuff like that. How do you feel about this?
There are a lot of weddings that happen on Harbor Island. We would cater to that. We would cater to bachelor parties, bachelorette parties. People will come here, relax, just chill out, and it will be like a family compound.
I feel like there's just so many places to sit and enjoy the view here.
Try it out, kid.
So nice.
Oh, under 2
Wow.
This will have to be
Completely
refurnished
turnkey,
right
I
here.
guess.
I don't think this is turnkey.
This is a con right here.
We'll have to fix that for sure.
I think I gained the freshman 15, apparently.
Apparently the 15 shows right there, Seema.
But look at this pool right here. That's incredible. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, I like how it faces the ocean.
Sick is good?
Sick is good. Sick is good.
Sick
old
means
lady.
good, Mom.
Okay. Oh, water. Everywhere we look, it's water. Amazing. I foresee right out here a nice big deck on the water for wedding parties.
Mom, what about a slide into the ocean?
I think that's a fantastic idea. The outside obviously looks gorgeous. Let's go inside, take a look. Oh my God.
Look at that chandelier, Mom.
I love, love, love all the colors. It's so Caribbean. I love the high ceilings. It's just beautiful.
Whoa, take a look at this view. It's all around.
Oh, wow.
That's incredible.
Ceiling to floor windows, just the way Dad and I love the houses to be.
Even from the bed, you can see the water there,